Hey guys, my name's Max, and in this episode of the 24MX Workshop, we're going to be telling you about different types of body protection. For a sport as extreme as motocross, safety equipment is obviously essential. You're riding fast on all sorts of different tracks and terrain, and you're riding close to other riders as well. Dangers range from flying rocks and roost to serious crashes, all of which means we want to protect our bodies as much as possible. And in my opinion, a rider that feels safer is always going to ride faster. Good chest protectors provide airflow and ventilation, they don't rub or chafe, and obviously they provide protection if something goes wrong. In the event of a crash, a chest protector will save you from bruises, scratches, broken bones, and even protect your internal organs as well. And if you choose the right chest protector, you'll be comfortable, cool, and unrestricted. In this episode, we'll tell you about the different types of chest protection, and we'll tell you everything you need to know about this essential piece of safety equipment. First of all, let's talk about safety ratings and certifications. Obviously, you want to pick up a chest protector that has been tested and certified. You don't want to pick up a chest protector that fails you in a crash. Body armor is rated as CE Level 1 or CE Level 2. Level 2 rated armor is often thicker and more rigid, which does provide better protection. As a general rule of thumb, we say that Level 1 rated armor is great for day-to-day use, whereas Level 2 rated armor is best for high-octane action at the racetrack. In fact, some racetracks and some race organisations insist that you must wear Level 2 rated armour before you hit the track. Next, we're going to talk you through some of the different types of body armour, from roost protection up to the full body armour. So the first two items we have here are the roost guard and the chest protector. Now, roost guards are often confused with chest protectors because they do provide some of the same areas of protection on the back and on the front. Generally, roost protectors are lighter and a little less substantial than chest protectors. These things are designed just to protect your body from roost and rocks from the bike in front of you. They'll provide less impact protection in a crash. Roost guards are great to wear in the summer months when it's hot. As I said, they are lightweight and you can find them well ventilated as well. That's one of the key things to look out for when you're buying a roost guard. Is it going to be well ventilated, like this fly racing one here? This roost guard does provide some minimal protection on the shoulders as well, but like I said, it's not going to provide the same level of protection as a chest protector like this. So the chest protector that we have here, as you can see, it's a bit more substantial than the roost guard. It protects you on the front and on the back. We've got a nice big substantial back piece here to protect your spine. On this one, we've also got shoulder pads as well. The chest protector has been designed to save you from rocks and roost, just like the roost guard, but it's going to provide a bit more protection if you do crash. It's important that your chest protector fits you properly. Thankfully, on an item like this, there's lots of area of adjustment. You can adjust the shoulder straps up here. You can adjust down here around the kidney area to make sure that the chest protector isn't going to move when you're riding, because if it does move, and it's in the wrong place when you do crash, it's not going to provide protection in the areas that it's designed to protect, and it might actually do you some harm. So be sure to buy a chest protector that does fit you properly, and like I said, most items do have areas of adjustment as well. Most chest protectors are light enough to wear underneath your jersey without looking like an NFL player or restricting your movement too much, which is great because you can still show off your sponsors on your jersey as well. So we've talked about roost guards and we've talked about chest protectors. Now let's talk about body armor. Body armor is the most amount of protection you're going to get. As you can see, a piece like this is all in one. You get the chest protector, a nice big back protector to protect your spine. You get shoulder protectors, elbow guards as well. Also built into this piece is a kidney belt to try and stop your kidneys and your internal organs from wobbling around during a ride. Conventionally, most body armor is made out of a thick plastic like this. As you can see, this is nice and rigid to provide a lot of protection in a crash. But nowadays you can also get body armor like this, which is made out of a soft foam. It's a little less bulky and more lightweight, but still provides great protection. This piece has got shoulder protectors, elbow pads, and protection round by the kidneys as well. Most body armour like this is all in one, where it's all built into the same garment. You can see like that, which might make it a little bit warm to wear in the summer months. But if you're like me, then you'd rather be protected as much as possible during your ride. Full body armour like this is more likely to be rated as a level 2. Both of these pieces here from LEATT are rated CE level 2. For better peace of mind and ultimate protection if you were to crash, then body armour is certainly the way to go. So like I mentioned earlier with the chest protectors, likewise with the body armour, it's very important that you find the right size for you. You don't want your body armour to be moving around while you're riding. Sizing differs between brands, but thankfully on 24MX you can find the sizing guides for the specific body armour that you're looking at. So make sure you find the right fit, do some measuring if you need to before you purchase a piece of body armour. So we've taken a look at different types of body protection, from a simple Roost guard up to the full body armour. You can find a wide range of body armour on the 24MX website. My name's Max, you've been watching the 24MX workshop. We'll see you next time.